Hello everyone, welcome to my classroom. I'm Neetu Ann Thomas, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, SNIT Adur. I've been teaching you principles of management.
We're going to learn about functions of management. So mainly there are five main functions: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. So I'll be telling about you in detail about each function. So firstly, when we talk about planning, what is planning? Planning is preparing a list of activities to be performed in the future. Right, so it is deciding in advance what is to be done in future, right? So an individual may prepare a plan for his journey or tour for a family function, right? So similarly, in a business unit, to achieve a certain goal we need to plan in advance, right? So it is done in accordance with the past event and forecasting events in the future. So it is most important function and it is a prerequisite for all other functions. So planning is a process of establishing goals and suitable course of action to achieve those goals, right? So that is about planning. So main it includes determination of goals of the organization, formulating rules, policies, and procedures, and forecasting future-based activities. Okay, what all activities are to be um, controlled in the future. So these are the things that comes under planning, right? Secondly, it is organizing. Organizing is providing suitable authority and responsibility to all the workers in an organization to establish harmony among all, right? So, the end result of organizing is a framework of formal relationship among different departments and positions. Right, this framework of formal relationship is called organizational structure. Right, so organizing, as we can say, it is the process of grouping various activities to be done and designing duties and responsibilities to people in the group or department. Right, so it is a process of organizing um, and identifying the activities to be performed, delegating duties and authorities, and casting responsibility to people involved. So that is all about organizing. And organizing involves identifying and analyzing activities required for attaining organizational objectives. Right. It also is assigning duties and responsibilities to the individuals and also follow up of activities. So these are the things that is involved in organizing. Right. Thirdly, it is staffing. Staffing is nothing but selection of apt person for a specific job in an organization. Right. So the managerial function of staffing involves the organizational structure through effective selection and development of employees to fill the roles assigned to the workforce. So the objective of staffing is to ensure that right type of people have been recruited for different positions. Right. So staffing function is closely linked to organizing, that is setting up of the internal structures and positions in the company. But staffing as such is opting the apt person for a specific job. Right. Then fourth one is directing. Directing is nothing but leading or controlling. It is a quality to manager to inspire confidence and trust in the subordinates, get maximum cooperation from them, and guide their activities to achieve the goals of the organizations. So, within organizations, controlling is a process through which managers regulate the activities of individuals so that they are consistent with the goals and standards of the organization. So, it's simply just guiding the people who are working in an organization, properly communicating with them, and motivating the subordinates for their jobs. Okay, so that is directing. Controlling is nothing but, as I have said, managers would regulate the activities of the individuals. So it is a continuous process which measures the progress of operations and making sure that things are proceeding in the right direction as planned. So controlling is an important function because It helps to check the errors and to take the corrective action so that deviation from standards are minimized, right? So that's why usually we go for controlling. So these are the five main functions of management: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. So that's all for the day. Thank you.